Here's a look at one of the models that I've been flying for a while. I thought I'd go back and upgrade the setup to what I'm using now. So I've already started the process, but I thought I'd back up and make a video. First thing I did was take off all this Velcro, because as it turns out, I only need 3 pieces of Velcro. Okay, so now you can see the couple of notches that I put in the frame. My Dean's plug sets in there. Now I'm going to push this down tight so that it goes through, and then I'm going to skin the wires. Notice that it'll be flat there now. So I'm going to skin the wires and solder them, making sure I have the polarity correct, and then this little process will be done. So now you can see the Dean's has been hard mounted to the frame, and it'll make plugging the battery up and unplugging the battery much easier. Here's a view from one end to the other of my setup as it is right now. You can see that I have the antenna taped to the frame, as well as a servo lead going to the rear, the receiver, a hard mounted Dean's plug. You might note that I have not covered it up. I don't anticipate it being ever shorted, so I'm not really concerned about it. This patch of Velcro right here is just for launching. It helps aid in keeping a grip on the G10, especially if it's humid out. On this side we have the other side of the grip. This area of Velcro here is for the low voltage alarm, which I install like that after I plug it up to the battery. Hard mounted Dean's plug. And then this area here is for the battery. I use an 1800. Generally the battery goes all the way to the back, about a quarter to a half inch in front of the logo.